Hi and welcome to Zuni. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a student to your class. To do that you need to click on My Classes. You can see I have several classes here, and if I want to edit a class I need to click on the image, or I can click on the green button that says Edit. So either directly on the image or on the Edit button. So I'm going to click on the image. And you see I have my title and I don't have any students. If I wanted to find out if I had a student in the system, I could click Search User and I would type a name. I could go all the way down and pick a school. So I would pick our Zuni Demo School. And I could go see if I have any child, any student in my school named Robin. So I come down through here and I can see the different ones I have. And so I am going to take this one. And I say, okay, I want to add this person to my class. I select on it. I could have selected all and chosen everybody, or just select an individual. And I'm going to click Save. Now that's going to put that person into my class. User has been added successfully. Perfect. Now you see, right here is the user. But perhaps I didn't find a user, and instead I wanted to go ahead and manually add a user. So I can click on Manually Add a User, and you use this just as it says. Use the option if the individual student you are searching for is not already in the system. This option allows you to add one user at a time. So now I'm going to click the Add User button. And I'm going to type in a little bit of information. A username, so I'm going to make up a username and call this user Trust. And I'm going to have the password, or maybe the username is going to be trust@zuni.com. And the password I'm going to put in here. And the email is optional. So if your student does not have an email, you do not have to put it in here. If you do have one, put it in. Do not worry about the user role as a teacher. It knows the person you're creating is already a student. And then I'm just going to put the first name and the last name. And then I'm going to select a grade. Now you come down here and you could add parent information, but don't worry about it right now. These are some fields for the future we're going to be using. And don't use the Add button. Instead, click the Save, the green Save button. So I'm going to click the green Save button. And this student now is going to be in my class as well as in the system. So if I shared this student with another teacher, she could just simply search and find this student. So I don't want to add another student. But I am going to need to click Save one more time. So one more time over here in this corner, click Save. And now the students are added to your class, and you're ready to go.